Take your CJ7 all the way to 11. Jeepin' with cool guy.
Alright, welcome back. We are going to take off the tailgate of the Jeep today. As with any restoration procedure, you need to make sure that you have your proper equipment on. So, making sure that we don't transfer any germs to our patient. And since we're going in through the rear, we want to make sure that we have ourselves protected. Step one, open up the tailgate. Two little latches, boom, boom, drop it. Like I was talking about before, whenever you're going to go in, you need to go in through the rear. So most of you won't have this advantage, but since I'm dealing with a really interesting restoration, I'm just going to take the back of the Jeep out. Ready for this? Wow, hey, it's convertible. Check that out. Oh, yeah, there you go. That's quality. Okay, now I need my assistant. Nurse, bring me my scalpel. Thank you. All right, so there's going to be 4 bolts that you're going to need to take out that hold up the back end, the cables. Tag it and bag it. Make sure you keep all this stuff together. Just so, like with this instance, you're not dropping stuff all over the place. Let's see. Okay. Let's see if we can get these guys out. I need a torque bit. I believe that this is a 40. Let's see. 40. That ain't happening. Oh, hey, we got one. Woohoo! Okay. 2 out of 8 ain't bad, I suppose. Breaker bar. Make sure you got your weight into this thing because you do not want to strip this bolt. Did I do it? Oh, it's so good. It makes me happy. Yeah. Gotta love the power tools. The tailgate has been removed. Oh, that doesn't. Wonder what's in there. Alright, so we're gonna get our handy dandy little tiny screwdriver out here, or whatever it is, it's a flathead. Something that you can get underneath with. See if these things will pop out easy enough. You can see it's got these 2 little pieces that stick out. So if you're able to get pushed in on one, and the other one will easily come out. Let's pop those things out one by one. The only thing that you need to be concerned about doing is getting these 2 bolts out. Making sure you get the hinge off. Taking this off. Let's see if we can get this out. Simple bolt. Obviously this is specific to this thing, so you don't want to screw this up because I don't know what you'd put it back in with. It's got a wave washer on there to provide a little bit of tension, separation, so we can take this thing off, powder coat it. Let's see. Probably do the same thing with the hinge here too. But I don't really think I want to do that. I think I want to paint this as one big piece. Alright, so there you go. So you got your hinge, you got your weather stripping you got to take out, you got to take these out. Then at that point, you're good to go.